We'll guide you through how to design background in Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Illustrator. Once it is open, click New File to start a fresh project. In the new document settings, enter a preset size of 1600 by 900 pixels. Then click Create to open your artboard. After the artboard appears, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw a rectangle that covers the working area. With the rectangle created, remove the stroke so only the fill remains visible. Next, change the fill color to any background color you want to use. For this tutorial, the goal is to create a mosaic glass style background. Locate the mesh tool in the toolbar and select it. Then return to the rectangle on the artboard and left-click on a specific side of the shape. After clicking, an adjustment line will appear, allowing you to modify the color distribution. Open the swatches panel and choose a different color for part of the background. Click on another side of the rectangle and assign another color. Continue repeating this process on different sides until the base color arrangement looks complete and balanced. When you are satisfied with the color foundation, select the rectangle again. Go to the Effect menu on the menu bar, choose Texture, and then click Stained Glass from the submenu. An adjustment window will appear with controls for the effect. Set the amount of glass pieces and adjust their size according to the look you want. Spend some time fine-tuning the settings until the mosaic pattern appears the way you prefer. When you finish adjusting the values, click OK to apply the effect. Next, resize the rectangle so it extends beyond the boundaries of the artboard. This ensures the effect fills the visible area without unwanted edges. After resizing, open the View menu on the menu bar and select Trim View. Trim View hides anything outside the final viewing area and gives a cleaner preview of the design.